Hey, good morning, everybody. So we've made it to Friday. Nice job to everybody. Thank you for all the hard work. Parents, thank you for supporting your students and getting through this very, very strange learning time. Okay, so for math today, you're going to start with a Fun Friday activity. And your Fun Friday activity is a challenge. You're going to go through and you're going to solve each of the area problems, and it's going to work your way through. There's a little fun reward at each page, so look for those. Enjoy those because you guys have earned it with a hard week of work. Now, on the area problems, make sure you're using your multiplication arrays, partial product as you get to the larger numbers because they will get more challenging. Make sure that you are adding boxes to your array. So a 3-digit times 2-digit, you're going to have 3 by 2 array, or a 2 times 2, you're going to have a 2 by 2 array. So as the digits get more or increase, so will your array. All right, next thing you have is your reading. So you're going to continue to work on your Mr. Popper's Penguins. So we have chapters 10, 11, and 12 today. It's going to look really similar to what it has been. Make sure to use that online dictionary to help you because I've had some questions on the vocabulary. The vocabulary is tough, so do the best you can on that. Try to really get to the questions though, okay? And then writing. I had a lot of people jump on Story Jumper and do some really, really cool work. Show you just a couple of them real quick. So Aubrey made her a time travel book, and they look just like a regular book. So they open and read just like a regular book. Here is hers. Very cool. Nice work, Aubrey. I also saw Haley get one done. Anaya's got one started. Hattie's got one started. I see Lily's got hers going, and Trinity. Nice job. So continue to work on that. Also, look for a flip grid that you guys can complete today. All right? Have fun with your learning. Again, 10 o'clock we will have our book discussion. Please click on the link under book discussion. It's right here. So this link. If you have questions, as always, make sure that you have your Hangout open and message me as you need me. So it will look just like this. Oops, let me move myself. So it'll look like this, and if you need me, send me a message. Okay? All right, do not work past noon. I want you 3 hours. If you start later in the day, fine, but try to work 9 to 12, try to work 3 hours. And if you can't do 9 to 12, just make sure that you don't overdo the work, okay? I want you to still have fun with your learning, all right? Okay, as always, questions, let me know. Thanks.